Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Dayton Days, and today we have the RSV4 from Aprilia here. This is the RSV4 factory, and this is in a very limited colorway, which is the lava red. And I think to give you more information on the bike, it's better to call the owner in the video. Yeah guys, we have Farhan here from NAFS Motorsports. So this is his pride and joy, the RSV4. So let him give you more stats about the bike. So Farhan, over to you.
Yep, sure. So, as you already said, this is a very rare motorcycle. This is the 2021 plus generation of RSV4. This is 1100 factory. So, the 1100 factory comes with electronic suspension, forged wheels, and this is the lava red paint scheme. There is only one of this color in India. There are about 6 RSV4 1100 factories in India, but in this color, it's the only one. So, yeah, it's got a V4 engine, so it's got a good amount of torque. Makes 217 bhp, 124 Nm of torque. So it's about how the power is delivered. It's got a lot of torque throughout the rev range. So you open the gas, you have that power whenever you need. So that's what makes the V4 configuration special. And yeah, I chose this over the Panigale V4. One of the main reason was the heat is much lesser than the Panigale. And in my opinion, this sounds much better. The 75 degree V V4 engine configuration sounds a lot better in my opinion. And yeah, I have a good amount of upgrades on it too. The Aero Pista GP exhaust, it is with the link pipe. It's all titanium. So even the headers are titanium. So it is like a full system titanium, you can say. And protective accessories like the RNG frame sliders, the radiator guard, MRA windscreen. Then other upgrades in terms of performance, I've got the Sprint air filter, Gabbro Racing tune for the full system exhaust, and it also has velocity stacks. So stage 3 tune with all these upgrades, I've got it on this bike. This is not the pillion seat. This is just a seat cowl. I've got another pillion seat that this can be easily removed and you can put the pillion seat on. And yep, right now it's running on Metzeler M9 tires, Metzeler M9 RR.
So this bike comes with a second seat as well, the pillion seat.
It has a seat, yeah.
Okay. I was only thinking that the Ducatis and the Aprilias don't have a seat behind for the pillion.
For Ducati, you will have to buy it as an accessory, but on this one, it comes at least with the whole package. So that's a good thing about Aprilia. Even these casings, the protective accessories here.
Yeah.
I mean, this comes standard on the bike. It's not an accessory. So that's a good thing about Aprilia.
Okay. So I think since we've got some information, can we ask you to sit on the bike and switch it on and let us hear how this beautiful engine sounds?
Yep, sure. It's a cold start.
Yeah, guys, be ready for the cold start. So yeah guys, you heard it. I mean, the way that beautiful V4 screamed. And this was not even a high RPM. This was just like 1000 RPM to like 3000 RPM. And this sings. Imagine if you open the throttle, man, it's gonna scream. So yeah, that's the video on the RS V4 factory. Hope you all enjoyed the content. Thank you. See you in another video.